Hi everyone, I'm Brian Lang and I'm a physical therapist. Welcome to Snap Habits Work from Home or Office Exercise Routine, where you'll be joining me on a daily journey where we'll do a stretching or strengthening routine that you can do all within the comfort of your home or office. Today we're going to focus on stretches for the upper body. So with that being said, let's get to it. 3 exercises under 3 minutes. Okay, first we're going to start with a cross arm stretch. So you're going to take one arm, bring it across your body, and with the other hand, pull it a little bit further until you feel a stretch on the outside of your shoulder. Get ready to find a doorway because we're going to need one for the next stretch for the front of our chest. Place both your hands and forearms on either side of the doorway. Stagger your stance and gently lean forward until you feel a stretch on the front of your chest. Hold that position. This is another angle of me doing the stretch from the back side, just so you know what it looks like with me leaning forward in the doorway. Okay everyone, we have one more stretch, so please find your office chair because we're going to need that for the seated spinal twist. Place one hand on the back of the chair and one hand on your thigh and gently use some torque through your arms to stretch your mid and lower back. If your chair has armrests, feel free to use the armrests to grab onto to help with the rotation stretch. There you have it. 3 exercises in under 3 minutes. Great job everyone completing day 1 of your work from home or office stretch routine.